This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share internet on your Android phone. So this is very easy. We're going to be using the hotspot on our phone. So go to the top right of your phone and swipe on down and go to settings. So let's go to settings right here. Then we want to go to network and internet. Then go to hotspot and tethering. So we can just turn this on and then turn on your wireless hotspot. Then tap on where it says Wi-Fi hotspot. Come up with a name for your hotspot. So mine is just Tim Wi-Fi. Come up with a password. Easy password, Timothy1. And then we can go to these different options if we want to change those. But on this phone, I have the quick option for my hotspot right here. I can just turn it on or off. So I can just turn it off, turn it on. Now my hotspot is active. Just make sure you turn that off after you disconnect your devices. Otherwise your battery is going to drain quick. So we can swipe on down now and just go to the Wi-Fi options on your phone and scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Then you can see Tim Wi-Fi is under here. I can simply click on that and I'm able to connect. And I'm getting internet through my other Android phone. So I'm able to connect and share it very easily. So I can go back to my other internet now because it's a little bit faster in my area. But just look at that as an option. Some of your plans may limit you to like 50 gigabytes and then it's going to throttle your speeds, or it could be a little bit different. So just look at your brand or your internet plan and see kind of what's going on with that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.